Our financial literacy and livelihood opportunity, we represent LSA, so this Livelihood Support Association. We are duly registered of November 9, 2010, so this is our 16th year, right? So our primary focus is to help individuals and families attain financial success through our financial literacy and livelihood opportunity program. And you would notice here that all our program comes from this verse, 3 John 2. My heartfelt prayer for you, my dear very friend, is that you may be as healthy and prosperous in every way. So this is really be wealthy, be healthy program, right? So meet our crusaders. So yours truly, I'm Professor Dr. J. Galang. So I'm a registered financial planner. I've been an educator also for almost 31 years now, right? So I'm one of the founder of LSA as well as the Benesere, and also Doc Edith, a licensed naturopathy practitioner, is my co-founder. She is the COO, and at the same time, we are so privileged to have our Chief International Marketing and Business Expansion Officer, Pastor Jerry Llewellyn. He's been in the Philippines for 20 years, married a Filipina, and he really enjoys being here in the Philippines. So we have a very powerhouse group of your officers that has a heart, and our focus is just to help people, right? So our mission is all about no family left behind. This is our money blueprint because we believe that right now the reality is a lot of families are struggling financially. And it includes all of us here, right? We are 1 to 2 paychecks away from bankruptcy. We are drowning in debt, are the biggest problem of our society. And people never plan to fail, they simply fail to plan. So we believe that what people are lacking right now is what we call the financial blueprint, helping you to build a solid financial foundation. Because financial planning is the process of meeting your life goals. So we believe that the foundation of this is cash flow. Okay, so this is our financial blueprint. You go to, if you have a problem with your health, you look for a doctor, you go to a hospital and understand your health condition. The same thing with our finances. We need to undergo a financial checkup and understand our financial situation. And that is our mission. Beyond products, beyond selling product, beyond doing business, we are very much concerned on helping people with their finances, right? And probably I believe with all of my heart that this is the assignment that God had gave me because I've been a financial planner for the last 23 years. Now, we understand our financial situation. We understand there's so much financial problem right now in our society. People are really hurting financially, right? This is a financial wake-up call. Everybody should understand our financial situation. So we are focused on the solutions right now. This we call this the ABCD solution. All our programs, all our projects really flows from this ABCD. But this is very progressive in nature. You cannot go to letter B, C, or D unless you accomplish letter A. The foundation of financial planning is really the cash flow. This is where the problem, and we need to address it. And we need to provide solution to it, right? So your money blueprint is all about make more money, save more money, grow more money. And you would see our cash flow based on the levels of income that we have right now in our society. Most of the people are paycheck to paycheck. When you say paycheck to paycheck, they're just making 15,000 to 35,000 per month. It can cover your basic expenses. They have little to no savings. They accumulate debt, and it's fighting for survival, right? But if you go to level 2, that's comfortable life, you're making around 75,000 to 150,000 per month. Bills paid on time, including your house, your car. So meaning you have your house, you drive your car, you can save, and you can travel occasionally. But the real wealth flows when you are making over 200,000. It's the money starts working harder than you. So the big question mark right now is, where are you in this level? Are you in level 1? Are you in level 2? Are you in level 3? And the next question is, the people around you, where are they? Right? Because if people are struggling and you are making money, where do you think they would run to? To you. So instead of giving them fish, we need to teach them how to fish. So basically, everything that we do here revolves around solving this situation. How are we going to move people from level 1 to level 2 to level 3? Especially that most people are just here on the minimum wage. Because 35,000 is above minimum, but it's still probably, I would say, is a poverty level, right? So a big challenge right now is, how are we going to move people from paycheck to living a comfortable life? And you will see if all our programs here in LSA really helps you solve this situation. And the big question mark is, what if we can move you from level 1 to level 2? Are you going to be with us? Are you going to join our organization? Yes or no? If your answer is yes, then we will show you the way, right? And if you are concerned with people around you, the same questions that you would ask them. Would you be willing to move from level 1 to level 2? And I can show you the way to move to level 1 to level 2, are you going to do it? Wow. So that is basically what we are doing. That's the mission, right? Are you learning? Do you think it's going to be very life-changing? We are working on how to create these modules, and we will just enroll everybody and put everybody on the net, okay, so that they can enroll and they can graduate and be certified, because we really need a lot of financial coach in our society right now. So that's our goal this year of 2026. So the big question right now is, do you think our program is great? Do you think our program will help a lot of people? Do you think our program will help you personally? If your answer is yes, then all you need to do is become part of this movement. This is not just a business. This is a movement. This is an advocacy, helping people with their finances. So our membership program is called Join, Own, Share. So it's not just buying a product or doing a business. It's actually sharing the mission. So you need to join, you need to experience it, and you need to share it. And that's how we make money here, by sharing the mission. So how much is our membership? Our membership is 5,999 pesos. And guess what? You will receive products worth 7,500. Okay, and you will have at least 1,000 savings. You can have your product you can have our pre-wellness product up to 20,000 per month. All you need to do is make sure that you do share capital subscription, and we will help you, okay? Because the main goal is not just to become a member. The main goal is help you build your wealth, build your retirement, okay? Earn unlimited income, and experience all our programs here in LSA. Would that be great? So I will show you all the programs that we have, all the platforms, in order to help you, because again, our ultimate goal is to help you move from paycheck to comfortable life income or real wealth. Okay? Your share capital subscription, when you start saving now, so there are equivalent incentives. Okay? So we have a system. Don't worry. Just run the system and let the system runs the business. Okay? So the goal is, how are you going to move from step 1 to step 4? Because the guarantee here is, if you hit step 4, you will make 100,000 to 150,000. Wow. And basically, this solves the problem, because this is now paycheck to moving to comfortable life. So the question is, if we can make you earn 100,000 to 150,000, are you willing to submit to the system? Because we are a very system-driven business, right? Once you hit 200,000 share capital, okay, the product is for free and you can run your own wellness center, right? Now, we have now our 1 million anti-radiation stickers campaign. Din this so powerful. We have a partner from US. This is a US technology. And we are so privileged to be running this program. It's a campaign and it can help a lot of churches, a lot of schools with this campaign because, you know, radiation is a silent killer. And since we are focused on our wellness, we want to make sure that everybody is protected since every day we are exposed to radiation with our cell phones and with all our appliances inside the house. This is an income producing asset. Imagine this is a 1 million sticker and the SRP is 350, so meaning this is a 350 million program. Now, how many lives, how many churches, how many group of people do you think would be helped with this 350 million pesos? Okay, now we launched from this anti-radiation sticker, we launched a business in an envelope. Wow, so this is a business in an envelope. Okay, so we are giving this privilege to a very chosen people who would really embrace this program, who will make a commitment. So when you have this business in an envelope, you will get 4,500 stickers. That's equivalent to 1,575,000. And you will only pay 600,000 pesos. And if you don't have the 600,000, the cooperative can loan it to you. Okay, and we have programs for that. And right now, you can earn this 1 million. You can in as fast as 10 weeks to 10 months. So it's a 10-10 program. Okay, and we have a bonus. If you get this business and envelope, you will receive a 30 sets of Korean cosmetic and an all expenses paid in Boracay. Wow. Another income producing asset is from the sticker, we are going to launch our 1 million boxes of herbal coffee. And this program will actually develop 300 millionaires. The question is, would you like to be one of those? Wow. And this is all about changing how people drink coffee. Okay? So every churches, every organization, if you become part of this group, you can easily make 175,000 up to 2.1 million per month. Wow. We have this 1 million cuttings of calabash miracle fruit plantation, okay? For if you have an idle land, for every hectares you can make 1.5 to 2.2 million pesos, right? And we believe that we can be the first company who will commercialize this calabash miracle fruit juice or even a powdered one. Okay? So, if you will become part of the core team, so you can be treated to a builder's training. It's part of our system on March 10 to 12, okay, in La Carmela de Boracay. And because we really want you to understand in a deeper passion, our mission, our vision, and our system. That's why this is a mission-driven incentive. And it doesn't stop there. You can drive your own car. You can travel the world for free. Just share our mission to every person that are hurting financially. Wow, did it help you? Now, right now, so just make sure that you'll be part of this movement. You will be part of this mission. And let's share and spread this to every person that needs it. Every person who wants to be of help to other people that are struggling, that are hurting financially. And share this to every person that you know. You can visit our website, www.benesereinternationalcorp.com, or you can call that number if you have other questions or concern, or you can message us in our Facebook. So thank you so much, everyone. God bless everyone.